my goodness. My new ones. Only cost me $270 in fines. Yeah, but I should be able to sell the old seats for $300. That's why I went and got the leathers for $5, because I could sell the old ones for $3. So it's not even a big deal. But now all of a sudden it's a big deal. I mean, not really. Man, he could have sent me to prison. Fared out pretty well, I think. Does it run?
No, not right now. And the hood's all fucking locked shut. And there's an engine in there. I know that sounds suspicious as all fuck, but we can try and get it wedged open maybe. It just like it got, I shut it one time and it stayed shut. And then when I got all drunk the one time and went to go fiddle with it on the inside thinking I was Superman, and I snapped the fucking latch thing that came off.
Oh yeah? It's fucking handy. Okay, just fucking send her. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Decent. I couldn't have worked out any better, for fuck's sakes. Other than it started, but. Oh, that hurt. Fuck. Oh, fuck. You know what hurt? When it leaves a purple mark right away. Ouch. Oh. Ow. Oh. Hard on the equipment. Fuck.
So is inwood custom car repair?
Oh, just fucking around. We're, you know, making those redneck lawn chairs and fucking fast as fuck lawnmowers and shit, right?
Yeah, I'm just
Just bonked the frig out of my finger. Terrible. Hurts. Hurts. Off the cigarettes!
Turn left onto Thomas Drive.
Oh, look at that. I just pulled in and my undercoat is just pulling in right now, so I'll let you go, but right on, man.
So actually, right now due to promotion, we guys are working in Ontario. Our times are 9 to 6 p.m. Okay. Cost your flat rate for the complete house duct cleaning, including taxes. So, are you going to plan the duct cleaning for your house?
Yeah, man, but you never show up. Do you have brain damage?
Sir, your voice will break down.
What?
Your wires were broken.
My wires are broken?
Your wires? No, I say your voice. V-O-I-C, voice. Anyways, when you're free to schedule an appointment for the duct cleaning?
Yeah, I set an appointment. Every time you call, I set an appointment. You don't come.
Just tell me you're interested or not. So I will.
Yeah, I am interested. I make an appointment. You don't come every time. You have brain damage. Are you going to come this time?
Yes, this time I'm making sure. 100% we will shoot.
Okay, when are you coming? When are you in the area?
How about next week?
Perfect. What day?
Saturday?
Saturday, perfect.
What time you want?
10 a.m.
10 a.m. Okay, all right. And it's a total flat rate, 130 bucks, you know?
130?
Including taxes.
It was 120 last time when you didn't show up.
Sir, 130, 130.
Okay. Yep.
Yep, 230 would be final price.
Perfect.
Okay, when the job is done, right?
Yep.
All right, and you have a drive-thru available in front of your house?
Yep.
Okay, all right, sounds good. On Friday, we will confirm you the timing, okay?
Perfect.
All right, see you on Saturday. Thanks for your time, sir.
Right on, man. What happened?
All good stuff.
All little cubby boxes, table saw stand, couple extinguishers, bowl,
Sprayer.
antlers. What's the antlers?
Well, these are left over from a job. They go in the sauna tube like that.
Oh yeah.
Then you weld your bullard onto her.
Nice. That's what we should have used over in the yonder instead of that Mickey Mouse nonsense.
Whatever.
But
All it needs is a new hose.
well, that's it. Scores. Oh, broken.
The wand's still good, but it just, the hose is all fucking...
Yeah, it's probably just fuel line or something. Oh man. Maybe,
Or do you
just
wanna
watch the shifter and shit. Oh,
You want to go out the back door then?
oh, probably not. I don't know. Just watch the.
Okay, hold on. Slow down, you're gonna get rug rash.
Tell him to hurry the fuck up. Tell him to hurry the fuck up, bin boy.
Okay, hold on.
Nope. Nope. Where are we gonna go? Just go over
Back,
here.
there's the other few back over here by the ground.
Oh, there's all my good stuff in there too. Friggin' rights you do. I'll have to transfer
after
that
that.
over. Oh, that's what I did when I bought it. I just bought this the other day. First thing I did, I backed out of the driveway, scraped the box on the thing as I pulled mine in to pull it up on the trailer. Just ruined it, zero fucks. I wanted a new truck, but I was, I was thinking, do I want to keep messing around with fucking junk? And yeah, I better, because I'm a fucking idiot and I do shit like that, right? So.
We use something like that for our rides.
That's enough. You don't have rides anymore. You quit rides.
Retired rides.
Look at that.
Nice!
Oh, you got to yank her down. She just heaves herself up. Decent.
This is gonna be fun. Look at it.
There, push that headrest down. There's a little button in the back. Should be, or on the little side there. There you go. Holy shit, Bill Boy does good work.
Whew. Nice. I'm in.
Right about Heather. My squisit. Oh, the fucking center console. Fucking locked shut. It's the standard class seat is just a solid bench seat that flips up in one piece.
Yeah.
So it just hooks on both ends. When you put the split seat in there, it's got the two fucking assholes. So I don't know if maybe we'll take two out of this truck quick. That's a good fucking top plastic dash too. Mine's cracked in that truck. My fucking squisit. Nice. Nice.
You got some earplugs and mask in here.
Nice.
And a light bulb.
Nice. Put the mask on.
No.
Why?
Someone else for it.
Scared? I apologize. Fuck's sakes, crawdad.
Aluminum.
Oh yeah?
I think so.
For some ancient technology, fucking... How fucking you dick? I'm off the cigarettes. So I got like an electronic robot cock. So you suck on it. Because it's a cock off a robot, you know?
So you done tobacco again?
Yeah.
I think that worked. Or scrap it out, whatever.
How much you weigh?
Almost 170.
Oh, look, how much me?
168.
How much me?
Maybe 220.
No. 196. 196 forever.
Oh, plus you got your
Gear on. Oh, for fuck's sakes.
couple of shavers in there if you want to get rid of your whiskers.
Can I just like make tea out of one?
Well, if you want, or Grandpa's. You probably have some of the stubble in there. A little COVID in your breath.
Well, you never had bum COVID? I don't mind it.
Put that on your door and have the dogs fucking boing,
Yeah,
boing,
that'd be
boing,
great.
boing.
Hey, sure.
What?
Where did you get that RC from?
This guy that,
that RC's made in 1985. And I looked on eBay. You know how much they want for one that's in a box?
300.
$3,000.
Scores!
Yeah.
He said, fucking give this to Dickie. Give it to Dickie.
Yeah.
So he's spraying this old slut or what? Oh, I don't care. Just totally waste my fucking time and product. I don't give a shit. I can soak her down.
Drive it in, back it in,
I'll back her up.
back her up.
Forward's good. Never had one on backwards before. Little bit. Roll your windows up.
Have a sip of juice.
Roll your windows up. What's your switch?
What happened?
What's your switch for?
What switch?
Your switch.
This switch?
Yeah.
That's for my fuel pump. If you turn it off and you go to try to start it, brum, 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 brum. Flip the switch, brum, starts right up. That's Ricky Rig.
Just gonna barf. Squisits. Yeah, you're like a suit replucent specialist.
Yeah.
Yeah. You really did that.
How do you like these seats? These are nice.
These are really nice. This has got a little wear right here, but no rips.
Getting in and out.
No metal rods stabbing through the side big time. Getting me. You know? Getting me. Oh, is that one f***ing dick too?
course.
Oh, pills. A tablet. Do that. Snort it. Let's snort it.
What does it say?
It's a roofie.
No, not.
It's a roofie. Roofie right there, look.
Oh, Rufal.
RuPaul. It's a RuPaul. Shut up. It's a RuPaul. Buddy, take that into the Donecker and eat it right now. Snort it off the toilet seat in the Donecker right now.
No.
Oh, my new one, my squisit new interior, my new one. Okay. And you shut this part, and then you can like open that part again. It's all nice, everything, a tang. Well, that's her. Tipward's fan in the scrapyard.
Light bar?
Yeah.